you guys? It's your girl. Blech. That's not the intro, sis. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another. No. Yo, what's up? It's your girl Bree. No. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. So, as you can see, I have this musty, crusty, dusty, busty bun in my head. And it is time for me to wash it and do my whole hair care routine. And since it has been over a year since I've done my last hair video, I decided to give you guys an update because it has changed completely. One, my hair is dyed. I don't know if you can tell, but I have dyed hair. It's growing out. I've had it for about 3 months. About 3 months. I got it dyed in October. It's now January. But my hair care routine has changed completely, and this time I'm going to be taking you guys step by step for what I do for my wash day routine. So that's from washing it, deep conditioning, and getting down to the styling. That has also changed, and I'm super excited to show you guys what is working for me because it always switches up, and I feel like a lot of people can relate to that, always having to switch up their go-to hair routine. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. I'm super excited. And if you want to see what that looks like for me, then keep on watching. Alright, first things first, we're taking this bun out of my head. And I'm going to rinse my hair underwater to loosen up any product that I've had for the past couple of days. Then I'm going to take the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. And I'm going to use about a pump and a half. And that gives me just enough to lather up my entire head. This shampoo is super moisturizing, and I like how it doesn't strip my hair from its natural oils and moisture that it creates on its own. So I definitely recommend this line for the shampoo, especially because I've used shampoos where my hair was just a little too clean. It was like really squeaky clean, and it had my hair feeling disgusting, kind of like it just felt weird. But with this one, I still feel like I get a gentle cleanse in my hair, and also my hair still has that nice slip at the end. Another thing when shampooing my hair, I like to make sure that I'm focusing the shampoo on my scalp because I want to get any product buildup that I may have in my hair. And also, you don't want to have the shampoo focused on your ends because that is the weakest and oldest part of your hair. Now I'm just rinsing out the shampoo, and you want to make sure you rinse it out thoroughly because you don't want to leave any shampoo sitting on your scalp. Also, this is when my camera started to fog and I realized that the water was too hot. But now I'm going to condition my hair, and I'm using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. The slip in this product, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, super moisturizing, and the slip is bomb. Like, it makes the detangling process much easier just from the slip and the moisture alone. But I like to be really heavy with my conditioners because I have a lot of hair, and you know how that go. But now I'm sectioning off my hair into two just to make the detangling process easier for myself, and just so I'm not being extra rough on my hair by doing it all at once. Also, I've recently been using this new detangling brush. I forget the name, but this brush has cut my detangling time in half. I don't know what it is, the technique behind this brush, but it works. So I definitely recommend purchasing this, especially if you're using like a Denman brush or a wide tooth comb. Those are what I've originally used to detangle, and this one works the best for me. Once I'm done detangling my hair, I'm going to go ahead and rinse out that conditioner. And then next, I will be applying my hair mask. I always put a hair mask even when I'm washing or co-washing my hair, just to help keep moisture in my hair and to restore any damage that I may have. And for the deep conditioner hair mask, I am using the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. I love this hair mask. Like, out of any hair mask I've tried, this one takes the top. Like, it takes the crown. It's the best one so far. I love it. It's super moisturizing, super hydrating, and it brings my curls back to life. With my deep conditioners, I am super heavy-handed. I use a lot. Like, you'll see me go back in this tub a million times over. but that's because my hair does need some restoration, and I just love the way this product makes my hair feel after. It's super great, super moisturizing, and it's great for thick and coily hair like mine. And I like to put it all over my head. I like to make sure every strand of hair is coated in this hair mask. Once I'm done applying the hair mask, I'm going to tie it up and put a shower cap on so that I can sit under the dryer and get some extra penetration in my hair. Okay, so I am out of the shower. Well, I'm done washing my hair, and now I have the deep conditioner, the hair mask that I showed you guys. And now I'm going to take this hair dryer thing. I'm not going to try to pronounce that. But this is what I use when I want to really get some penetration in my hair. I put this over my head, and it just puts emphasis with the heat. Sometimes I forget how to open this. Oh, there you go. So I'm going to sit under this heated dryer for about 30 minutes just to give my hair that extra moisture. So basically what you do is, let me show you guys. It comes like this, and it comes with this little bonnet thing. And basically what you do is you plug it up and you hook this piece into the bonnet like that. Okay, like that. And then you put it on your head and you just let it do its job for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sit here for 30 minutes, and then after I'm done, I will rinse out my hair, and then we can go to styling. So, and I put mine on high heat and I put it on hot. So like you have the option to do hot or warm. I do hot and I put it on high for, I might do 15 minutes. 30 minutes is a long time. I might do 15 to 20 minutes under this. I feel like I'm supposed to take the shower cap off. Am I? I don't know. But let's go. Alright, we're back in the shower, and I'm taking out this hair mask that has been sitting for the past 20 minutes, and I'm rinsing my hair on cool water. Whenever you have a hair mask, or just whenever you're done conditioning or you're done with your wash day, you want to make sure you rinse out your hair on cool water to really close those pores and the hair cuticles and to lock in that moisture that you've just, cleansed for your hair. You really want to make sure you don't have it hot or really warm. Like, warm is not bad, but cool is preferred, just to lock in that moisture and to have your hair cuticles close up after your wash day. I'm done with the washing of my hair. Now my hair smells so good, oh my gosh, and it feels even better. This is my hair, no product, feels great. I really recommend that hair mask if you're looking for something new to use. I recommend that a lot. I love it. Okay, but now I'm gonna go in with my this is the rosemary mint strengthening oil. I really love this stuff, and I just take a few drops and put it in my scalp. So we have this, and I just put it in my scalp. And once I do that, I basically massage my scalp for like a few minutes. And just let the oil get deep in my scalp. Especially since it is the winter now, my scalp is dry, so she be needing that extra care, honey. That extra moisture, yes ma'am. Okay, so now that I have applied the oil in my hair, I am going to basically part my hair to which side I'm going to wear it on. I'm going to do a side part because I recently straightened my hair and I got a little heat damage and I got to cover that up. So I have my part, And now I'm going to split it down the middle and the back. This part doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just separating my hair. And I'm gonna start sectioning off my hair to make it easier. Now I look crazy with these 5 sections in my head. And I'm gonna start with this back piece right here. Even though I did just detangle my hair in the shower, I'm still going to go back in with this once I start applying the product again. And the first product that I'm gonna use is this Camille Rose Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. Can you focus, please? Yes. This stuff right here, she's magic. Like, I don't know what Camille Rose did with this. Yeah, I recommend this. It's around like $14, I want to say. It's really not that bad. I'm running out, but I do have another one because this stuff is so good. It's very hydrating and very moisturizing. I have a hard time getting moisture in my hair, and this is just like, it works perfect for me. So I'm going to start off by wetting this back section again because it did dry out some. I'm going to get it wet enough to where the product will absorb. I'm going to put this right here. And then I'm just gonna use a generous amount of this Honey Hydrate. And it's so cool. Well, not cool, but yeah. Okay, that might be too much, I'm not gonna lie. But like, yeah, that's a lot. Whatever. Dang, that's a lot. Okay, so when you rub it together, like it's warm, like actual honey. I'm just gonna apply this to this back section, the entire back. Make sure I get it on my ends. And it smells so good, like, it smells bomb. And then I'm gonna go back in with that brush to detangle. Okay, so now that I'm able to run my fingers through, I'm gonna split this section into an even smaller section. And I'm going to start applying my first styling product. And that is our good sis, Carol's Daughter Coil Enhancing Butter. Please focus. So this right here is a Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter by Carol's Daughter. This is a part of their Cocoa Cream line. I believe this is fairly new. But it's for very dry and curly to coily hair. This is my second time using this product. Amazing, like amazing, like amazing. Like I usually only use this product. This is the Camille Rose Curl Maker. I used to only use this leave-in conditioner and then that was it. So I really had no, I didn't have as much definition as I wanted. This alone gives good definition, but this combo, can't beat it. You really can't. And also another thing that I like about this, okay, so when using a gel of any sort and a cream-based product, you want to make sure that the two blend together well. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So you have the Camille Rose Curl Maker and then you have the butter. As you can see, they're two completely different consistencies. But once you mix them together, they create like a really smooth base. Like it's, as you can see, it's not chunky. It's still very smooth, and that's how you can tell if your if your gel and your cream is gonna mix well together. Like I've tried different combinations and it literally just sits on top of my hair and flakes up. But this right here, it blends perfectly, and I believe that's how I get such great results. Like it's still very smooth, it's not chunky, and it's not like getting that weird tacky feeling. Love it, 10 out of 10. But yes, I am gonna go in with the Carol's Daughter Coil Enhancing Moisturizing Butter first. And I'm gonna use like probably this much. I did not mean to flick you off. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna start from the bottom and work my way up. And this is also, it smells good, it feels good, very moisturizing. And then you can just apply more as you need. This stuff is so good. Like look at that alone, just with one product. Okay, you probably can't see because it's dark, but I really do love this stuff. And then I'm gonna go in with this Camille Rose Curl Maker and take a generous, well no, like this much for this little section I'm working with, and just apply it on top, same way. Work my way from the bottom to the top. And then, as you guys know, I finger coil. Finger coiling for me gives more definition, one, and it just really shapes and make your fro look better, whatever you want to call it. I feel like it makes it look more defined and what's the word I'm looking for? Not just defined, but it makes it look uniform, I guess. Whatever I'm trying to say, it works. This is what my hair is looking like for the first section. And now I'm just gonna do a time lapse and finish the rest of my head and do everything that I was just showing you guys just on the rest of my head, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, I have finished. First of all, my hands are mad tired. Like my arms, they's tired. But I finally finished styling my hair. I'll do a 360 for you guys. This side is probably like kind of dry because I finished it first. Yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. Not gonna lie, like I got to this side and like I forgot to put this product, like the gel, but I went back in and did it because I was like, why is it not coming out right? Then I remembered that I kind of like zoned out and forgot to put the curl maker on. But this is my hair. I am done. As you can see, definition. She there. Don't sleep on this definition, honey. Get it to it. I'm gonna let this air dry for some time, see how long I can go without having to bring the diffuser out, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. Alright, you guys, I finished my hair. It is about 98% dry. It's dry, like she's dry, and I am loving it. Love it. Like, oh my god, I'm so glad that I like randomly went to a store and found that coil enhancing butter that I used today, because she just took it up a notch. Like, really? You look great. Thanks. Yeah, but oh my gosh, like I love my hair. Super moisturized, super defined. I didn't pick it too much. Like I did go in with my pick to try to shape it, but I don't really pick my hair that much on the first day because as the week goes on, my fro does get big, and she gets big, like really big. And also I feel like it makes my hair frizzy when I pick it the first day. Because it's like not 100% dry and it's still like really like tacky a little bit. Not tacky, but like, I don't know how to explain it, but I definitely try to avoid that and just let it do its own thing. But I am super happy with these results. I love it. Like 10 out of 10 recommend this routine, especially if you have coily hair, or if you're in that type 4 category, type 3. Yeah, these products that I use today are for you guys, like dedicated to coily hair. Like, I love them, and they're super moisturizing and hydrating. It is really hard for me to get moisture in my hair and like to keep it, so I know this will last me a long time and I'll still have definition throughout the week without having to like go back in and refresh it. But yeah, I'm excited. I love it, really do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.